Give me 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it. 5. Very good.
Get strong.
Welcome to another vlog, 12 years gone. Today, Mommy is about to show you her routine weights lifting. Enjoy. As you can see, she's working her chest. Working her chest. Working her chest. Give me 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can do it. 5. Very good. I'm gonna count to 15, then we do another set. I'm gonna count to 5. Or we're gonna count to 10. Anything that you see. Alright, she's presently resting. Starts again. And she's doing well. Work that chest, Mommy. Work that chest. Work that chest. And by the way, viewers, she's lifting 20 pounds on each hand. So in total, 40 pounds.
2 more.
Anything you say, Mommy? Very good. Very good. You can see that. 10 and 10, that's 20. 10 and 10, that's 20. Alright, she's resting.
Color.
Yes, she's working the abs. Trying to get that sculpted, flat, pancake looking abs. Look at that. You go, Mommy. Give me another 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Don't stop until you reach 20. 10, 11, 12. Hold it. 14, 15. Hold it. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. And she's working her hamstring to get those very, very firm legs. Someone is just around the corner. And she's very serious about her exercise. Right. Give me 25 more. 1, You can do it. 2, 3. We're going to 25. 4, 5, 6, 7. You can do this. Just breathe in and out slowly, calmly, in a controlled manner. 10, 11. Mommy said that she needs to rest, so we're gonna cut it right here. Very good nonetheless.
That's good.
No?
Go down.